Most AI tools for email marketing are completely overhyped and don't move the needle at all. Brands sign up, play around for a week, and then go back to sending the same boring emails. But there are a few AI tools that actually help e-commerce brands save time and also make more money. In this video, I'll show you the AI tools we really use for e-com email marketing. There's no fluff and no paid promos, just tools that actually work. Quick context, we manage email for multiple e-commerce brands, doing upwards to 8 figures per year, and these tools are part of our daily workflow. Let's start with the obvious one, using AI to write email copy faster. But here's where most people completely mess this up. They go on ChatGPT, type in something like, write me an email about my Black Friday sale, and then get some generic garbage. And they wonder, why it's not working? That's not how you use AI for email copy. Here's what actually works. So the first tool we're going to talk about is Klaviyo with custom prompts. Instead of asking for generic copy, I feed Klaviyo our brand voice guidelines, customer testimonials, and specific frameworks. So look at this prompt I use here. You're writing for your brand name, brand voice, insert the specific characteristics, customer pain point, add that specific list, and then tell Klaviyo to write a 150-word email using the problem agitation solution framework about your specific product. So enter your specific product or offer here, and then include social proof and also end it with urgency. Using this prompt, the difference is night and day. Generic AI copy sounds so like AI, but properly prompted AI copy sounds exactly like your brand. Second tool we have here is Jasper for brand voice training. Jasper lets you train your specific brand voice. We upload 10 to 15 of our best performing emails, and it learns the tone, the structure, and also the style. And when we need copy, it's already dialed in. But here's the key. AI should speed up the first draft, not replace your entire brain. We always review, edit, and add personal touches that only a human who understands the brand can add. This approach can help you cut copywriting time by 60% while maintaining the same results. That way you can spend that time working on the business instead of in it. The secret isn't always about the better AI model, it's about the better prompts. Subject lines make or break your entire email. One word can be the difference between generating or losing thousands in revenue. The first tool for this is subjectline.com. This tool analyzes subject lines against millions of data points and gives you a deliverability score. But more importantly, it suggests variations that will historically perform better. We use it to test against your order is ready versus first name your order is ready. The personalized version got 34% higher open rates. Tool 2, Phrasey now Phraseado. This is expensive, but for the brands doing serious volume, it's worth it. It generates hundreds of subject line variations and predict performance before you even send it. It found that one of our supplement brands using Breakthrough instead of new increases results. AI gives you the data, but you need to understand your audience. For our beauty brand, it's the opposite. AI can't know that, only you can. Building email flows from scratch is very time consuming. AI can help you speed this up dramatically if you know how to use it. The first tool for this is ChatGPT with flow frameworks. So use this prompt. Create 7 email abandoned cart flows for your brand type, include psychological triggers, timing delay, and specific angles for each email, and base it upon proven e-com psychology principles. What this prompt will do is give you a solid foundation that you can customize instead of starting from a blank page. Instead, you're editing and improving. Next, we have Klaviyo's AI Flow Builder. Klaviyo now has an AI suggestion for flow structure based on your industry and customer behavior. It's not perfect, but it's a good starting point. For one of our experiments, we use AI to suggest a 5 email post-purchase flow focused on education and replenishment. We then added our own brand voice and specific product education, and now that flow is generating $15K per month on autopilot. Key insight here is that AI is great for structure and timing, but humans are great for messaging and brand voice. Combine them and you'll get flows that will actually convert. I know list health is boring, but it's super important. Bad deliverability kills even the best campaigns. The first tool you can use for this is Klaviyo's AI Deliverability Insights. Klaviyo AI now flags deliverability issues before they even become a problem. It tells you when to clean your segments, when you're sending too frequently, and what content might trigger spam filters. Second tool for this is Mailgun's AI Validation. This validates email address in real time and uses AI to predict which emails are likely to bounce or mark you as spam. It can save you thousands in sending costs and also protects your sender reputation. The bottom line here is that AI can spot patterns in your data that human usually misses. Use it to keep your list healthy and your campaigns will perform way better. When you send matters more than what most people think. AI can find the perfect timing for your specific audience. The first tool you can use for this is Klaviyo's Smart Sending. This feature analyzes when each subscriber typically opens emails and sends them at the optimal time. It's like having a personal assistant, but for every subscriber. For a clothing brand we were working with, we used this tool to increase open rates by 23% without changing anything. It was the same subject line, same content, but just better timing. If you're using HubSpot, 7sense does something similar. It maps each contact's email behavior and optimizes send times. But what we want to learn from this is that your audience isn't one person. Sarah opens email at 7 a.m., Mike might open at 9 a.m. AI can handle this complexity at scale automatically. Coming up with fresh angles and offer is hard. AI can help you brainstorm faster. The first tool you can use is Clyde. So use this prompt here. Generate 20 different angles for promoting your product to your audience. So fill out the product and audience. Include emotional triggers, logical benefits, and urgency tactics, and make each angle unique. Copy.ai for offer variation. This tool helps you brainstorm different ways to package the same offer. Instead of just 20% off, you can get something like say 40% off your order, or buy 2 get 1 free, or unlock VIP pricing. We tested 5 different ways to present the same discount. I save $47, outperform 25% off by 31%. Same offer, just a different frame. This AI tool can give you options, and you just pick the one that your brand or audience works best. Now let's talk about what AI sucks at, because this is where most people mess up. You don't want to use AI for brand strategy. AI doesn't understand your customer's deepest pain points or your brand's unique positioning. It can't replace market research or customer interviews. Next, we have final copy without review. Raw AI copy often sounds generic and soulless. It misses nuance that makes your brand unique. So always edit and add that human touch. Next, we have complex customer journeys. AI can help you suggest that flow structure, but it can't understand the emotional journey your customers go through. That requires human insight. Lastly, we have customer communication. When something goes wrong, AI can't handle the nuance or empathy required. Keep humans in charge of sensitive communication. AI should amplify human creativity and not replace it. So make sure to use it to work faster, not to think less. Here's our exact process for combining AI with human insight. Step 1, we want AI to draft the first draft. Use AI to generate the initial copy, subject line, or flow structure. This will give you a starting point to help you save time. Step 2, human strategy layer. Add your brand voice, customer insights, and strategic thinking. This is where the magic happens. Step 3 is data-driven refining. Use the AI tools to analyze performance and then also suggest improvements. Let your data guide your iterations. Step 4, human final review. Always have a human review before sending. You want to check for brand consistency, tone, and potential issues AI might miss. Make sure you follow the 80-20 rule of AI. AI handles 80% of the grunt work, human focuses on the 20% that drives results, and that's strategy, creativity, and brand voice. These tools can save you hours and help you move faster, but tools alone won't break weak strategies or bad offers. If you want help building an email system that actually drives revenue, click on the link below and book a free call with my team. And if you want to go deeper, make sure you watch this video next, where I show you how to apply Hormozi's $100 million offer framework to email marketing.